Hello, welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. Here I use office shapes to create art in Microsoft Word. Today we're going to make a bowl of noodles. So let's begin. Insert shapes. I'm going to use this shape here. That's going to be the starting point. Just going to level it. Maybe like that. I'm going to go edit, right click, edit points. I'm going to bring that in. Bring this in. Bring this out. And actually, now I'm going to just reverse it. Like so. Right click again, edit points, bring it down more. Now I'm going to go insert shape, and I'm going to choose a circle. Level, add a point. Shape fill. Just a light yellow. Shape outline. The shape outline maybe just a little bit lighter. Like so. I'll just do one at a time. Take that one. Highlight this. Not highlight it, but select it and move it. Give it a shadow. This one, maybe a bit of a glow. Let's do that one. In here, shape format, click on format shape, gradient. Got some different gradients here set up. We got the path. I'm just going to change this, make it lighter. Like that. I'm going to add some chopsticks. Like so. Just going to pattern fill. I should say not pattern fill, but picture, texture. Choose the first one. You could also go in here, shape fill. Shape outline. Smaller, thinner. Okay, then shape effects, bevel. Choose the last one. Then we're going to go into material. Choose the plastic, and then choose light, shape effects, glow. This one, edit points, copy, paste. That's the second one. Shapes. Now I'm just going to draw a line. That. No shape fill, but for the outline, let's try this one for now. And then I'm going to go give it some weight. Shape effects, bevel, material. See if we can also make it lighter. Like so. Shape outline, I'm going to make it a bit lighter. I'm going to go copy. Paste. Select objects. Shape. Group. A shape effect, a glow. This one. Send to back. Or this one actually bring to forward. Bring to front. Actually, I have to ungroup them. Maybe this one. That'll work. Bring to front. Maybe make these ones a little bit darker because the noodles are light as well. Just wait. Send to back. Bring forward. Just kind of behind. Like that. Bring another one. I'm wondering if I make this thing a little transparent and then send to back like so. Just gonna move this out of the way. I don't want it to be so jagged. Oops. Like so. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.